Okay guys, so part 2 is finally done, and it has been such a sick experience refreshing and bringing this BMW back to life. So in this episode you'll see that we resprayed the car, flattered, polished, and put the car back together. And I would just like to give a big shout out to Dion for coming in and giving us those demos and just, giving us his thoughts and his expertise. It really does help and just kind of helps us get to the next level. So yeah, shout out to Dion. We really appreciated your help on this one. And also shout out to my team, Joey, Alton, and Bless. You guys really did impress me on this one. And I just want to say thanks to you guys for your passion and all the hard work you guys put into this. I really appreciate the work ethic and everything you guys have done. So a shout for that. Something else I'd like to add also to the people viewing and watching this is that don't touch a black car. Please don't touch it. I often see people, they'll go, and if there's like a little bit of dirt on it, they'll go and like write on the car like I have AIDS or some shit like that. And it's really not cool, because it does scratch the car and you do see it, and then you're gonna have to polish the car. So if you guys just don't touch cars in general, especially black cars. If you see it, don't go put your hand on it, don't go lean on it. Just have some respect, guys, please, because it's a problem. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I had a lot of fun filming it, and this was such a big experience for us and my team. And it was a good one. So please enjoy. Cheers. the guys from City Paint and Tool came to give us a little demo, and they were just here to make sure that he's got the idea. So yeah, demo done. So now we're just going to respray everything else and get everything onto the car, and then we'll start flatting and polishing. But I must admit the car is looking bad, and it's looking really good after you do a little flat and a polish. So I can't wait for this thing to be done. Justy. Oh, what anymore, bro? Justy boy. Yeah. Okay guys, a quick little update on the E46 Wagon. She is now black, and she's like 99% done. Some of the things that we still need to do are, this light isn't turning off, and the car is saying that the boot is open. We need to just put the remainder of the boot back in the car. Take this off. I seem to have misplaced the key to take this off. We're getting the seal to put this window back in, so that should be done tomorrow. And we also need to try and sort these front headlights out, because damn, they look so bad. These ones and these ones. They just make the car look so old with this new fresh paint job. So I'm not going to wash the car until I have new washing equipment, because the last time I washed it with the stuff I had, I actually put swirl marks in the black paint. So then I had to take it back into the spray booth. We polished the car up again. So now we've just left it, and I need to go get the best quality washing stuff. I've been doing YouTube tutorials on how to wash a black car. And yeah, then we're going to go all in on washing this and making sure that we don't put swirls into the paint, and then we're going to ceramic coat the car. So she's almost done. The strange thing is with BMWs is that it won't start. It'll just die. You take the MAF sensor out, it starts up good, and then you'll see now everything will run perfect. See, BMW things. Okay, now back to the video. Car's got software.
SDG. Oh yeah, cheers, brother. What are we up to, eh?